Today we're talking about potpourri, some of its uses, how to make it, and some of the things that you can do with it. I like to fill up a little sachet bag with it, and keep that handy for so many uses. You can actually put it in your bath water. As I said before, you can put it in your dresser drawers. You can hang it in your closet. Whatever you want to do with it. With lavender, if it's all by itself like this, it's very, very strong, so you want to be careful. And when you're mixing up a lot of different things like we have been in our bowl, you have to be careful of the dust factor. If you have a lot of allergies, be very careful and make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Some of the things that you can do for men's drawers is maybe use a men's handkerchief and tie it up with a shoelace. You could take your rose leaves. They're a little bit more of a subtle fragrance, and they would do very well in a men's drawer to keep his things fresh. You might also be able to add an oil essence to it, whatever you like, maybe a musky smell, something a little bit more masculine rather than feminine.